Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Haikal bin Faisal Shaharil. Today we will going to present assignment 1, manufacturing process of tobacco product. Next is video of selected industry. So what is tobacco? Tobacco is a plant with leaf that have high level of the addictive chemical nicotine. After harvesting, tobacco leaves are cooled, aged and processed in various ways. The resulting product may be smoked in cigarette, cigar and pipes. Okay, next is tobacco company. The company that we select is Philip Morris International. So in 1847, Mr. Philip Morris opened a shop on London's Bond Street. Now they have headquarters in Stamford, Connecticut. Philip Morris International is one of the world leading tobacco companies with a global workforce of 79,800. They have two smoke-free product research facilities in Switzerland and Singapore. Now over 1,560 research and development scientists, engineers and technicians working on smoke-free product. They have 39 product facilities worldwide and now is 5 of the world's top 50 cigarette brands including Marlboro.
Hai, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nazmi Afdan bin John Ahmad. My matrix number is CE 200122 and I will present for my part in this assignment, which is part 5. Analyze and list the sensor and actuator video. So on the video, I analyze 5 sensor and 4 actuator. So for the first sensor is tobacco moisture sensors, second temperature sensor, third sensor, fourth humidity sensor, and for the last airflow sensor. For the actuator, first electric motor, second is pneumatic actuator, third is hydraulic actuator, and the last for the actuator is solenoids. So this sensor and analyze based on process of making tobacco for brand Goro. That's all for me. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Azamuddin bin Hasanan. My metric number is CE200025. I will explain about the operation of sensor in application in tobacco industry. So the first sensor is a moisture sensor. Moisture sensor is the sensor can continuously monitor the moisture content of the tobacco during processing. The data will collect to the sensor and can be used to adjust and control the parameter of heating and drying system and to maintain the desired moisture level. For example, if the level is too high and the heating drying system can increase the temperature or adjust the airflow to remove the excess moisture. So and the second is a temperature sensor. Temperature sensor is placed at a various point in the processing equipment. It can monitor the temperature of the tobacco during the different stage of processing. Data from this sensor can be used to regulate the heat and drying system. Also, ensuring that the temperature remain with the desired range. This actuator can adjust the heating element or control flow or heated air to maintain the optimal temperature for each processing step. And now we move to the next sensor is gas sensor. Gas sensor is can detect the presence of a specific gases such as a volatile compound of the contaminant in the process environment. This sensor can provide real-time data on the gas level and enable the actuator to take appropriate action. For instance, if certain gases exceed acceptable level, the actuator can activate the ventilation system or adjust the airflow to mitigate the issues and maintain a safe and controlled processing environment. And next is a humidity sensor. Humidity sensor is to measure the humidity level in a processing area. By monitoring the humidity, the sensor can provide feedback to the actuator, allowing them to adjust the operation of the heating and drying system or other equipment. Or for example, if the humidity is too high, the actuator also can increase airflow or adjust the temperature to facilitate the moisture removal and ensure the optimal processing condition. Next, the last but not least, airflow sensor. The airflow sensor is a sensor that can measure the velocity and direction of air movement in the processing area. This sensors provide the feedback of the actuator, enabling them to optimize the operation of the heating and drying system or other equipment. For instance, if the airflow is detected, the actuator can adjust the fan or damper to increase air circulation and improve the drying process. So next is the operation of actuator in the application in tobacco industry. So first, electric motor. Electric motor is a fine application in the various tobacco processing equipment such as in the conveyor belt, mixing machine, and the packaging system. So they provide a rotational motion and enabling the movement of tobacco leaf or the other component along the production line. So this electric motor is offer the precise control over the speed, direction, and torque, facilitating the different efficient processing operation. So next is a pneumatic actuator. Pneumatic actuator Pneumatic actuator is used in a tobacco industry for tasks such as opening and closing valve, controlling airflow, or actuating mechanical component. Compressed air is supplied to the actuator, creating the linear or rotation motion to perform a specific action. For pneumatic actuators are known for their fast response times and suitable for environment where a spark or heat sources are concerned. So next is the hydraulic actuator. Hydraulic actuator is employed in a heavy-duty application within the tobacco industry. So they provide the high force and precise control for tasks like pressing, cutting, or shaping tobacco material. Hydraulic actuator use hydraulic fluid to generate mechanical motion, allow the efficient and robust operation in various manufacturing process. Next is solenoid. Solenoid is utilized in the tobacco industry for tasks requiring precise and rapid actuating. They are commonly used in equipment such as sorting machine, packaging system, or valve control. So solenoid operate by using an electric current and create a magnetic field that move a plunger or actuator. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Ramli. My metric number is CE20076. Today, I would like to present about the sensor and actuator in terms of manufacture and technical. First is tobacco manufacture sensor for measurement range. Choose a moisture sensor that have a measure range suitable for the artificial moisture level. Second is accuracy. Look for sensor with a higher accuracy, and third is response time. Further consider the sensor response time. For the next sensor is temperature sensor. Choose the sensor with temperature range. For the second is accuracy. Look for sensor with high accuracy, and for the response time is consider the sensor response time, which determine how the quickly is detected. Next is airflow sensor, measurement range, followed by the sensor with a measurement range suitable the anticipate airflow rate in the tobacco manufacture process. So next is accuracy. Look for sensor with a high accuracy to ensure the precise and airflow measurement. And third is response time. Consider the sensor response time, which determine how quickly. Next is gas sensor. Gas sensor detect with appropriate detector range for specific gases interest with tobacco. Sensitivity, look for sensor with a high sensitivity detect the low gas. Responsive time, consider the sensor response time to ensure the timely detection. For humidity sensor, choose the humidity sensor with a range suitable for the desired humidity level in tobacco process and storage. Accuracy, look for sensor with high accuracy to ensure the precise humidity sensor. Response time, consider the sensor response time to detect the humidity change from. That's for electric motor voltage and frequency. Ensure the motor voltage frequency match with the electrical supply available in facilities. Speed, consider the required motor speed and select motor that can operate with this desired speed range for the in of application. Efficiency, look for motor with high energy efficiency rate for reduced overall consumption and operation costs. Pneumatic actuator size and stroke length, select the actuator size stroke length that match the required range for motion force for the indeed application. Operation pressure, consider the operation pressure range of actuator that ensure incompatible with available compressed air supply in facilities. For actuation speed, evaluate the required actuation speed and select actuator that can achieve the desired speed for the application. So the last one is hydraulic actuator. Force and stroke length, select the actuator size and the length. And operation pressure, consider the operation pressure like hydraulic actuator. For control, to control the option that available the hydraulic actuator. So the last one is solenoid. Voltage and power consumption. Ensure the solenoid actuator is compatible with the available electrical. Next is stroke length. Select where a solenoid actuator with a stroke length suitable for the desired range. The last one is responsive time. Consider the response time of solenoid actuator with determine of quick that can actuate with upon receive. Thank you.